Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on body detection in our smart lock in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for smart lock options and how to change it. We need to go to settings first, then lock screen, and here we have our smart lock menu. When we go here, we need to input our super secret password. And here we have on body detection function. To turn it on, we simply have to tap this little box here. And of course, this is a little reminder, a little warning. On body detection can distinguish between you and someone else. So keep that in mind. And what does it do? After you unlock your phone, it stays unlocked while it's in motion, while walking, etc. up to 4 hours. And now our on-body detection is turned on. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.